Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really special for you. A quick look at one of Vietnam's most famous fruits, the pomelo. Vietnam has many varieties of pomelo, but the one we're focusing on today is by far the most popular. It's called
Bưởi da xanh,
which translates to green-skin pomelo in English. We're going to break down what makes this fruit so special, how it's eaten here in Vietnam, a few delicious dishes that feature green-skin pomelo, and stick around till the end for some fun trivia. Green-skin pomelo is a big round fruit, typically weighing between 1.2 to 2.5 kilograms. It's pretty hefty. The skin can be green or turn slightly yellowish as it ripens, and when you peel it open, you'll find the flesh inside is pale pink or reddish. Now let's talk about the flavor. It's sweet with a tangy kick and juicy. Plus, as soon as you start peeling it, it releases an amazing fragrance that fills the room. Let's talk about the green-skin pomelo tree. These trees usually stand about 3 to 5 meters tall. From the time the flowers bloom, it takes around 7 to 8 months for the fruit to ripen. Each tree can produce between 50 to 70 fruits each year. Ever wondered why these green-skin pomelos are wrapped up? It's to protect the fruit from insects and pests. If these pomelos were left uncovered, pests could lay eggs on them, which would spoil the fruit. That's why farmers use these protective coverings to keep the fruit in great condition. All right, let's talk about how people in Vietnam enjoy pomelos. Instead of eating them plain, they pair them with chili salt. Sounds unique, right? But trust me, the sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy combo really brings out the flavors of the fruit. In Vietnam, they have a delicious traditional dessert made with pomelo called chè bưởi, or Vietnamese pomelo sweet soup. It's a refreshing treat made with pomelo pith, mung beans, coconut milk, and tapioca starch. The combination is surprisingly good with a sweet, slightly chewy texture that's totally unique. If you ever get the chance to try it, don't miss out. Pomelo isn't just for eating. It has all kinds of cool uses. In Vietnam, people actually boil the peel to wash their hair, and they even extract oil from it for things like reducing hair loss, improving skin, and relieving stress. Oh, and the flowers? They're used to make tea. If you want to learn more about all the awesome things you can do with pomelos, check out the link to our article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more authentic and exciting content about Vietnam, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even more great videos. All right, now it's time to test your knowledge with some fun questions about Vietnamese pomelos. Question 1. In Vietnamese, what fruit does pomelo refer to? A. Cam, B. Oi, C. Mít, or D. Bưởi? Question 2. Which region is the pomelo originally from? Is it A. Southeast Asia, B. South America, C. Africa, or D. Europe? Question 3. What family does pomelo belong to? Is it A. Berry, B. Citrus, C. Stone fruit, or D. Melon? Question 4. Is pomelo the largest fruit in the citrus family? A. True, B. False? Question 5. Why do Vietnamese farmers wrap pomelos? A. Sun protection, B. Insect prevention, C. Faster ripening, D. Keep them clean. Drop your answers in the comments below. We can't wait to see how many you get right. We'll reveal the correct answers in the description, so be sure to check back and see how you did. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.